When I tell you they are out here delivering, look at this first aid kit. Let me tell you something. There's so many exciting new finds at Dollar Tree. Oh, to who? I mean, you can come to Dollar Tree and get some really amazing items. Like, they have this new, I don't know if you guys have seen this, if this has been at your nearest or local Dollar Tree, but this is the brow stamp kit with 10 brow design stencils and 2 spoolies. So you can do your brows, right? It's a stamp. You do your brows and stuff, and it has the 2 spoolies for your brows. Now, these are $4. They also have the lash and brow serum. They had like a whole end cap, the lady said, but these are currently the 2 last that's left, all right? Honey, they are moving on up like the Jeffersons, okay? The girls. Why Dollar Tree gotta be so good like this? Okay. You definitely better have you a piece of paper and a doggone pencil or a pen or something, or even a crayon or marker when you come in a Dollar Tree now. Cause honey, they fancy out here, child. So I am at the Dollar Tree today in Fairview, New Jersey. Oh my goodness. Honey, have you guys seen this? So this is the glow, and when I tell you this thing is huge. Vitamin C Radiance Face and Body Oil Day Brightening and Tone. Okay, so they have that one. They also have this one, Smooth Retinol Repair Face and Body. This one is for night because it has the retinol in there. Honey, Dollar Tree ain't playing out in these streets, okay? My loves, if you guys have not seen Dollar Tree's new skincare line, oh my goodness. I don't know where you've been, my love, because they have some amazing items like the Dermasil new skin line that has blueberry extract in there. This is $1.25. Hydrates and illuminates. They also have the Dermasil melon. This is a melon jelly cleanser, sulfate free melon extract. Plus smooth. This is $1.25. They have so many new items. Check this out. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Wicked Strawberry Scented Hand Cream. This is cute. They also have the Berry Scented, and these are $1.25. Absolutely love this. They also have more serums over here. Shimmer Multi-Purpose, Dry Oil, Radiant Glow for face and body. If you guys are feeling the content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, comment, and like. Now, they also have the Multi-Purpose Dry Oil Radiant Glow for face and body. Absolutely love the gold. Honey, I am a gold girl, okay? Let's see what else they have, shall we? Now, Dollar Tree also have the Guru Nada. Now, if you don't know, this had went viral on social media. This is the whitening mouthwash. This is a travel size up to 3 shades whiter as quickly as 2 weeks. $1.25. Hey, family, so if you guys are looking for some eyeshadow, some blush, some eyeliners, check this out. Dollar Tree is straight up delivering for you and me. Look, LA Colors. I love pumpkin spice. Now, they have the eyeshadow 4 into autumn eyes. Look how cute this is with the little hearts. 3 little hearts. This is $1.25. They have different shades up here. They also have the lip gloss over here. Now, this one is Cozy Kisses and Pumpkin Wishes. I know that's right, honey. Now, if you guys are looking for a blush, the blush is really gorgeous. This packaging, marketing team, you're doing your thing like a chicken wing, okay? Now, look at this blush. Cheeky and spicy for $4. Really cute. The eyeliner they have falling for brown. They also have the Latte Love. This is cute. This is the duo eyeliner. Really nice. They also have this one as well, the lip gloss, Sweetie Pie, and Feeling Grateful. Honey, you better be grateful every day, okay? Now, if you guys are looking for shampoo, this shampoo normally go for like $10 with a Barstool brand shampoo, conditioner, golden hour, smooth brandy, and Madagascar vanilla. They also have the Coastal lavender and seesaw. This is the shampoo conditioner as well. So they have two different ones, and this is $1.25. Also, understand that Dollar Tree has the Oral-B Glide, the floss picks. Now, you get 75 of these for $4. This is a deal. Now, when it comes to these socks, these are cute. The Willy Wonka socks over here. These are $1.50. They also have the charms. The charms is definitely my thing, like a chicken wing. Those are so cute. They also have the blow pop socks over here. Those are $1.50. Monopoly Teddy Grahams. I do have these. Absolutely love them. They have the dots, the Jolly Ranchers. They have some fancy Mancy socks. Love that. So many major finds at Dollar Tree. You want to head on down to your nearest Dollar Tree. They have some amazing finds. Alright, so when it comes to home decor, Dollar Tree has these gorgeous, I believe these candle holders. Yeah, they are so nice. I like this. They have the black, the gray, the beige, and they also have the white. These are $1.25. Now, of course, Dollar Tree has these candle holders as well over here. They come in different colors. These are $1.25 as well. When I tell you they are out here delivering, look at this. This first aid kit. Now, this is a 29 units, includes 4 first aid antiseptic pads. Okay, now this is $5. But honey, this is a freaking steal, a deal like Holyfield. You get what I'm saying? Now, another amazing find is these metal bow lanterns. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. Now, I do believe these are like $3 or so. But honey, look at them. Absolutely amazing. Honey, it's Dollar Tree for me, okay? And this is one that they have like on display. Really cute. Love this. Put the candle in here. Really nice, honey. Honey, they selling stuff like this bouquet holder with foam. Honey, look at this. Child, they just showing all the way out. Now, these are $1.50. Walmart who? Target who? Ulta who? Honey, I feel like I'm in Home Depot, Ulta, Target, Walmart, all in one, okay? Now, Dollar Tree has these 6-foot indoor use extension cords. These are $2. They also have these fabulous throw pillows up here. Oh, this one feels so amazing. That comes in 3 different colors. They have the beige, the black, and then they also have the green. And these are $6. Now, if you guys are looking for Christmas items, of course, Dollar Tree, they had their Christmas items out already, like this stocking. Look at this, the fishtail. Love this. Now, these items are $1.50. The DIY items they have, the signs, really cool. They also have the tinsel, the garland, the DIY ornaments over here. Projectors they have. Really nice ribbon. They have so many new items. Oh my goodness, at this Dollar Tree. I mean Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree who? Okay. Now, they also have these Merry Christmas boxes over here. You get 2 gift boxes. Look at them. They out here showing out, honey. All right, my loves. Let's go to checkout, shall we? Hey. All right, family, make sure you guys rock out, believe in yourselves, keep on going, keep on growing. Let me know what was your favorite item that you've seen in a video for. Oh my goodness, they had so many new items. The brow with the tinsel, with the spoolies, that was absolutely cute. What else did they have? All those serums. Honey, it's to the point where as though I have a lot of serums on my dresser right now. I really don't need no more serums, okay? Make sure you guys have a darn list when you go to Dollar Tree, because when I tell you they ain't playing, they are not playing. With that being said, I catch you guys on the next one. Peace.